Give me a car!
Holy shit, dog.
Nigga, I'm on seat! We're not even 5 minutes, this is gay as fuck already.
My shoes fell off, bro. My shoes fell off, bro. My shoes fell off. It's on the lever.
Hey, you been doing that shit for like 6 hours, huh? I tried, bro. Oh, damn.
So those were all of my friends that I grew up with since I was like 12 years old that I've skated with my whole life, almost every single day. It's been about like 5 years since all of us have gone out and skated together like that, so it was so much fun, but all of us are way out of shape and all of us barely skate now. It's not the same like it used to be. We're not jumping down big sets or skating big rails and stuff like that anymore. At least I can't because my knee's all busted, so if I try to jump down something, that's gonna hurt. But yeah, those are all my homies, like my best friends that I've had since I was little, that I've skated with my whole life, and it's always such a good time when I'm with them. We would always go out on skate trips every single weekend. We would go to Vegas, we would go to Arizona, we went to San Francisco, so it was just so much fun. That was such a good time. Hopefully we do it again soon. All right, back to the car stuff. I want to show you guys something real quick that I just realized the other day when I turned my wheel when I was taking pictures. Look at this. Straight ball, dude. Looks like a slick. You know how long I've had these tires for? I've had these tires on for 1,500 miles, about a month. Same with the rears, but the rears are perfect. These aren't wearing out. Usually these wear out after 3,000 miles, 4,000 miles. And the fronts usually last me 11,000 miles. And these wore out so fast. Like this one barely. This one has a little bit more thread than the other one. But dude, it's like a slick right now. So that sucks. So I'm showing you guys this so you guys don't do this too. I changed my front lower control arms. When I got all new tires and my 370Z Trans, I threw everything all at once. And then I drove the car, well, 1,500 miles on it so far since last month. And these tires are like that because I did not get an alignment after I put the front lower control arms. Completely forgot I spaced out on that. And I think that's why. Like my steering wheel is super straight, but I mean, it could still be, you know, it could still be thrown off. Like the wheel can be straight, but the tire isn't, but the wheel isn't. I slacked it on that, so now I'm gonna have to buy another new set of tires. And the fronts are around like close to 400 bucks for 2 tires. Sucks because these should have lasted me at least like a full year, and they lasted me a month. So don't do what I did. I'm just showing you guys this so you can see what it's like when you don't get in alignment. So don't slack it, guys, or you're gonna end up like me and spending more money in the end. All right, we're gonna let Bree drive the Z to the beach. It's kind of hard driving now with all these speed bumps in first gear, so I'm gonna make it a little bit easier for her. All right, so she's driven it a couple times and stalled maybe like once or twice, right?
I think
It was twice. The second one didn't really count. She hasn't driven it in a long time, so see how she does. It's a stage 4 6-puck clutch for competition with a lightweight flywheel. I've let a lot of people drive it. And a lot of people have stalled it, even people that drive Z's. Because people know how hard it is to drive Z's. God damn! That was smooth. Yeah, that was like you just hopped in and drove it like you always drive it. Oh! I can hear the turbo so much more right here on the passenger side because the turbo's right here. What is?
It is just saying.
Oh, I know. I like it.
I think just because it's downhill, it's easier. I still feel really nervous.
So these are weird. There's like a dead space in the clutch when you step on it and you're letting it go and it feels like it's gonna catch, but it doesn't, and then all of a sudden it just grabs. And then with this clutch it feels a lot harder. Whoa there! It's not, huh? Oh. Oh, my boy got the bangers right here. I'm gonna get copyright. Oh, that ball! What the? Oh shit! No, that wasn't your fault. That was sick. I've never heard it pop like that. Whenever you go over water though, like just be careful on the throttle because these tires will slip. I'm having fun too, but I'm a little nervous at the same time. Now if someone pulls up next to us, you gotta give them the gap. Can't be looking like a weenie out here driving the seat. Oh, right there, look at that Mustang. He's got a bunch of stickers. That means he races. That's like 50 horsepower each sticker.
It just feels really rough. That's what I'm not used to.
What does?
Your car?
Oh yeah, it feels more raw.
Yeah, for sure.
That's what I like. Yeah, you're doing good. Oh, hell no, he just passed you. You gonna let him do that?
Oh my.
Show him how you rev match. Oh, that was a little too much. It's because the RPMs on the Z jump faster than her SI. When she steps on it in the SI, it like barely goes up. So you gotta really hold the throttle for you to rev match in her car. And this one, the RPMs just like shoot up so easy.
I feel so tiny in this car.
Tiny?
Small. Yeah.
You know, there's not a lot of room. Over 6 feet, you won't fit in here. You gotta be at least like 5'9" and below to fit in the car, right? Because I have it all the way back to the cage, and I'm 5'7", so that's like perfect for me. Oh. That's like the best gear. When the RPMs are really high though, you go to red line. Oh my god. They both looked at, oh, they're gonna pull over. Go all the way, go to the line. Go to the line, make a right. And then pull over. Yeah, at the light. Go. Go all the way out, go. Make a right here. Make a left. I mean, make a left here. Be extra quiet though, because the cops can hear. Just go straight.
I think I got the hang of it, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was a Porsche. GT3 probably. Oh, another cop right there.
Imagine it's the same ones.
No. Maybe? I think they're going over there where the firefighter was, because now there's an ambulance. Oh no, there's a cop coming behind us. So drive slow. Oh! We hit a light. There's a cop coming.
I think they're easier. I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know. They're gonna be right next to you. Yeah, I'll put the camera right here. Just let him go first. So that he can't hear the car. Just let him shift at low RPMs. Shift. So it's not loud.
See how long it took to take off?
Yeah, he was waiting.
Yeah.
Shift. Just put it in neutral. Got me nervous there. Nah, you can keep it there. Cops up there, we're gonna turn.
I was trying to do a smooth takeoff.
Nah, no, that was pretty good.
Yeah?
You kept it pretty quiet. I was scared. That got me nervous. Oh man. What a day for you to drive it, huh? Oh, that squeaky noise again.
Why over there?
Because it's in a perfect spot. It's by the curb.
It's gonna be hard, baby.
Why is it in hard? Oh, the cops right there. Just park right here.
Like, why are they down here?
Oh, look, they're leaving now. They left now. Here, just leave the car right there. We'll look at it. Pull the e-brake and just let it reverse. That was probably the worst time to let Bree drive the Z. There's so many cops. We saw like 3 cops, one next to us, one made a U-turn and followed us into the parking structure by the beach. Luckily we were already parked, but he was looking for us and then he saw us parked already, so they just left. Dude, it sucks. Like, I don't feel safe driving this car anymore like I used to. I used to just be able to drive in like the past, I want to say like 4 months. It's just been so bad out here in California with the car scene, with like cops and, you know, having a modified car. I'm gonna go wash the Z right now because it rained like 2 days ago, and I don't want the water spots to stain the paint. So I'm gonna go give this thing a full detail just to make sure I get all the water spots off. I feel bad because Brie was really nervous and I was probably getting her more nervous. So the front lip has a small smudge, but it's not her fault. I mean, there was so much going on. I'll just go get the lip repainted. It's not that big of a deal. I'll have a fresh lip again. I just got this lip repainted, I think like maybe 2 months ago. So it's gonna be the 3rd time getting this lip repainted. I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you want to keep up with the Z content, you don't have to. But I am going to be putting out a lot more content. Give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys later.